Welcome back. Today, we'll explore folding napkins, a gentle, beautiful exercise that builds order, precision, and quiet care. We prepare 4 clean, ironed cloth napkins in a small basket and place them on a contrasting mat so each fold is easy to see. Invite the child warmly. Place 1 napkin flat. Fold corner to corner, aligning the edges slowly and carefully, then unfold. Next, fold side to side, smoothing each crease with your hand. Show how these folds create squares and triangles. Continue with each napkin, folding with calm, deliberate movements, and stack them neatly when finished. The crisp edges and symmetrical shapes naturally draw the child's attention. Control of error is built in if the corners don't meet. The child can see it immediately and correct it with confidence. Avoid verbal correction. Simply present again later, with grace. Extensions can include creating folding patterns or learning simple cloth care. Folding napkins is more than tidying. It becomes a quiet meditation, offering the child patience, order, and a gentle sense of pride in their work.